Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove text from your video using VN Video Editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor app, and then I'm going to open the project I have just created guys, this one. And I'm going to remove this text. For example, if we want to remove something, we can use the mask trick. I'm going to duplicate this video first. So I'm going to click on the video and then select duplicate. And I'm going to make it as an overlay. Wait. I'm going to place this pointer here. And I'm going to select my second video and select the PIP or track. But wait, let me choose it. Okay, and just go to the PIP or track. Okay, and now the video has been overlaid, and I'm going to click on the fit button to fit the screen like this. And we're going to use mask. So we're going to go to the mask option. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find the mask, and you can choose the shape of the mask. For me, I'm gonna choose this rectangle mask, and then we can choose another part of the video to cover the text. I'm going to select this part because this part will be suitable to cover it, and click on the check mark, and you're going to cover the text with the mask. And you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And to make it more natural, I recommend you to adjust the feather, go back to the mask, and you will see this button where you can use it to adjust the feather. Okay, and sorry, it's still not good, so I'm going to adjust it one more time. Okay guys, all right, and again, if you're not satisfied, you can apply filter or adjustment. I'm going to apply the adjustment. I'm going to adjust the brightness, and I hope that it can blend well. Okay, good. All right, and this is the final result. As you can see guys, that the text has been removed from my video. And I know that we cannot apply this trick to all types of video guys, but at least here you know the trick. Okay, and that's all for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.